We are here. Let's walk together. I am excited.
Stay close to me.
Yes, Dad.
Do not go far.
So pretty flowers. Nature is beautiful. I love them. Wow, butterfly! It is beautiful. I want to see it. Hello, little one. You are so pretty. It likes you. Wait for me. Do not go. I am coming. Where did you go? I lost it. Oh, no. Mom? Dad? Where are you? I am alone. This is scary. I should go back. I am scared. I miss my family. Please help me. I must stay calm. I will find them. Keep walking. I feel lost. I need help. Where is everyone? I am scared. Who are you? Please. I am scared. Do not hurt me. Please. A bear. Oh no. Please go away. Do not come closer. I am just a boy. Please. You are sitting? You are calm. Why? Are you friendly? Can I trust you? Please be kind. Oh no! You are injured! Poor bear! It is deep. I see it clearly. Almost out. It is coming. Yes. Try walking. Slowly. Be careful. You can walk. My friend, I am happy. We are friends. Big friend. Very big friend. Brother is gone.
Son! Answer me!
Do not panic.
Find him fast!
I am scared.
Where are you? Answer me!
Dad! I am here. Please hear me. You are helping me. Thank you. Let's go. What is it? Do you smell something? Tell me. I hear something. Is that my family? Please be them. That way? Okay, I trust you. Let's go. I can see far. Where are they? Please show me.
My son! Brother! Please come back!
Son!
I hear, Dad. That is him. I am here. I am coming. Dad, I see you. Over there. Dad, I am coming.
My son! I found you! Come here!
Thank God. I am sorry. We love you.